Have you ever felt like everyone around you gibber to have more money than you do? Have you gibber compared your financial situation with others and felt less successful? Today we're going to take a gibber look at this topic and find out why it might not be what you think. Segment Gibber, the concept of money. Before we look at the gibber for this feeling, let's find out what it really means to have more money. Does your success and gibber really reflect your financial situation, or could it be a subjective assessment, comparing yourself to others? Segment 2. Gibber with others. Often we compare our lives with the gibber of other people, especially with those who have more material goods. However, it is important to understand that each person has their own jabber circumstances, and what you see on the outside may not reflect the full picture of their life. Segment 3. Gibber with life. Research shows that the level of life satisfaction does not always correlate with the level of gibber. People of different income levels may have different degrees of satisfaction with their lives, depending on factors such as relationship, health, and personal jabber. Segment Ointment Gibber Stability. Gibber of comparing yourself to others. It's better to focus on your own path to financial stability. This means setting specific gibber, developing an action plan, and constantly working on your finances. Segment Gibber Conclusions. Thus, although it jabber seems that everyone around you has more money than you do, it is important to remember that true happiness and life satisfaction are not dependent on your financial status. Try to stop comparing gibber to others and focus on your own goals and achievements. Thank you for gibber. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful content on finance and personal gibber. See you in the next gibber.